Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can manage rules in FreshBooks, so let's get started. To manage rules in FreshBooks, first connect your bank account or credit card through the Bank Connections section. Once your transactions are imported, go to Expenses and open Bank Transactions. Select a transaction and assign the correct category, such as travel, meals, or office supplies. FreshBooks may then suggest creating a rule. Click Apply Rule to automatically categorize similar transactions from the same vendor in the future. You can edit or delete rules anytime if your needs change. It's also a good idea to review your reports regularly to make sure transactions are categorized correctly. Managing rules in FreshBooks helps automate expense tracking, saves time, and keeps your records organized. That's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.